So what we got here is the BMW M6 2024. This is now installed with the Ghost II Immobiliser system to stop thieves from stealing this vehicle. They will not be able to drive it because they do not know the PIN code. So when you turn the vehicle on, if you do not enter your code, as you can see, it will not allow me to go into gear. It will keep coming back into park, so I can't drive it. So when you get in the vehicle, you need to enter your code. It can be any combination, so 1 2 3 4. You get 2 beeps from the system to let you know that the system has been turned off. And now when I put into gear, as you can see, it does not cut out, so I can go to any gear I want with no issue. If you want the Ghost II installed on your BMW to protect it from being stolen, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.